Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel of ICSE StudyMate. This is your host Kshitij Kabra and today I'm here in front of you with some very important and vital information. All of you might be aware that the official press release by the CISE Council has been published on the official website and we have some very important news for all of you. So this short video will be dividing into three important bits. Number one, discussing the press release. Number two, what should the students' decision be at this point of time? Number three, what should the students do and how should they prepare for their future studies? First point, the press release. I have the release right in front of me. In the light of the nationwide surge in COVID-19 cases, the CISCE has decided to defer the ICSE Class 10th and ISC Class 12 board examinations scheduled to be held from May 4, 2021. This simply means that due to the rising number of COVID-19 cases, CISCE has decided to defer, to postpone, to schedule later the grade 10th and grade 12 board examinations of ICSE and ISC board respectively, which means exams postponed. The COVID situation will be closely monitored and the deferment of the ICSE and ISC 2021 examinations will be reviewed. And a final decision on the conduct of the board examinations will be taken by the first week of June 2021. This simply means that the COVID-19 situation in our country will be closely monitored and a decision on whether the exams are entirely postponed or cancelled or anything else. This decision will be taken in the first week of June 2021. Now, the important news. While the ISC Class 12 examination will be conducted at a later date, the candidates for the ICSE Class 10 examination will be given the following options. Class 12 examinations will be conducted later in the future, but the Class 10 students of ICSE have two options. Number one, to write the offline examination along with the Class 12 candidates, or not to write the offline examination. In view of the ICSE Class 10 candidates opting for the second option, the CISCE will develop a fair and an unbiased criterion while preparing the results of such candidates. The grade 10 ICSE students have two options. Option number one, to write your offline examination in the respective centers along with the grade 12 students after the first week of June whenever it is scheduled. This is option 1, to write your examination in an offline mode. Option number 2, you do not write your exam and your marks will be calculated by a proper methodology which will be prepared by the CISCE and will be made public. Which means you will not write your grade 10th exams neither offline nor online. And your board examination marks and percentage will be calculated according to the particular methodology which will be prepared by the CISE Council, and this methodology or this criterion, this method, once prepared, will be made public in front of all of you. So you have two simple important options, and this was the press release by the CISE. Now, press release understood, two options understood. Now the question comes, what should be our decision? What should be the decision of the students, right? Okay. At this point of time, we can suggest you one simple single option. Do not hurry with your decision. Understand, the methodology or the method of finding the marks and percentage of students who are not giving their exam. This method is not yet prepared. It will be prepared properly by the CISE Council, and then it will be made public. So if you wish that you do not want to give your exam, it's just your wish, don't make your decision in a haste. Let the methodology be made and then take your decision. At the same time, if you wish that no matter what I will give my exam, wait. Understand the COVID-19 situation in the country. Let's see what is the final decision of CISE in the first week of June, and then take your final decision. Right? So what we suggest you is, do not hurry with your decision whether you need to give your exam offline or you do not want to give your exam. Wait, have patience, let the method be made public by the council, understand the method, We will ourselves help you with the entire method and then take your decision, take into consideration several factors. Your own studies, reviews of yourself, your parents, etc. etc. Understand and then take a decision later in the month of June when the methodology is made public and when the decision is made by the council. Now, the third important question. What should I do now? The methodology is not being made. Until the method is not made public, I cannot make my decision. And until I do not make my decision, what should I do? Should I study for grade 11? Should I study for grade 10th? I'm confused. Every student might be confused, and here we are to suggest you one simple solution. We want you to be prepared for the worst case scenario. We pray and we hope that you do not face the worst situation. But if in case you are forced to, we want our friends and our students to be prepared. So, we suggest you a simple solution. Today, if you are studying for 4 hours a day, keep the studying ratio to be 3:1. For 3 parts or for 3 hours, study for your grade 11th preparations. And for 1 hour, study for your grade 10th exams. In simple words, divide your study ratio in the ratio of 3:1. Divide your study time in the ratio of 3:1. Why? Why should I study for that one part of my ratio? Because we do not want you to be blank when the news of board examinations reach your doorstep. If at all in the worst case you are forced to give your board examinations, we do not want you to be blank and we do not want you to be scared. Hence, study small bits of every subject daily. By every subject I mean take one subject, 1 hour a day, 2 hour a day, depending upon your study ratio, 3:1. For 3 portions, make ample utilization of this time and understand which course you want to take in your grade 11 and grade 12th. Understand in which field are you interested. Make your preparations, start studying, understand the courses, etc. So prepare for your grade 11 and grade 12. But at the same time, have a look at your grade 10 syllabus as well. So after 2 months, if you are forced to give your exam, you are not blank. You have something, and I think many things in your mind ready. Guys, we know that you have studied very hard up till now. Up till 16th April, you have brushed up several topics of each and every subject many times a day. We understand it is hectic. We understand it is difficult. We will suggest you, do not just leave your grade 10 examinations and do not just take hold of your grade 10 examinations. Divide your time in the ratio 3:1. 3 portions for grade 11, grade 12 preparation and studies. 1 part of the ratio for grade 10th. For any queries, any doubts, you are free to contact us on our website or on Instagram page of ICSE StudyMate. All the best, good luck, wait for the methodology, take your decision wisely, and good luck for your future.